hello to all my friends out there. So I made some nice big rolls. So, okay, I bought a guacamole kit, and I'm really glad I did. And I got two avocados, 2 tomatoes, a jalapeno, and an onion. So now I want to make a little egg and avocado sandwich for lunch on my homemade bread. I toasted my bread lightly. I got this idea on Instagram. Somebody made this on toast. I go, ooh, that would be good. Knew I was going to make bread today. And then I scrambled some eggs. So, you know, when you make your bread, it's cheap. That bread that flour I bought at Dollar Tree was 99 cents only. Okay, now let me taste this and I will tell you. It's good. Okay, that is good. Eggs and salsa, hummus and salsa, bacon and egg. You know anything on little sandwiches. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.